Then I got this shampoo. Okay, so I'll just take, a little drop of it and wash it the first round, because the hair is very dirty. So if I wash it once, it's not going to give me the result. So you see, take this quantity and I apply it to the hair. Okay, then I scrub it, massage it very well. So I do my hair washing at home. Massage it, pour water. You can see that the water is dirty and it's not foaming as needed, because this first washing is very dirty. So it will help me remove, the cream that was on it before. The cream makes soap not to foam. So that first washing is like washing out the cream that you have in the hair. And then when you finish doing that first washing, then you apply second round of your, this time around it's going to foam very well because I've removed the oil on the hair. You see that it's foaming now more than before, more than the initial one. Massage the hair under the roots. The root of the hair, massage it very well. Your scalp, that's where dirty accumulates. Okay, you massage. Okay, so I like washing my hair in the house because those people in the salon will not massage the way you want it. Then if you're the one massaging it yourself, you can massage it to any degree you want it. I like my hair well massaged. Okay, so I massage it and I feel that burn on my scalp. That's when I feel the hair is neat enough. Alright, you can be also doing this in the house. Saves you your time, your resources, and it gives you your desired results. You can see that it's very foamy, right? And then you wash it. So this is conditioner. Okay, so when you finish washing with shampoo, then you take some quantity of conditioner. Conditioner is usually very thick, so I'm going to press my bottle so that it comes out. You see? Alright, you take some quantity of your conditioner and then you apply it to the hair. This one is not foamy, so you don't expect any foam to come out from it. But it makes it soft, right? It makes the hair softer. Oh, I can even feel it already. Let me add more quantity. Okay, that's okay. See, you can feel the softness now. It helps you even detangle it. So you massage it. Let it enter into it very well. So you take your comb and then you comb it, because after applying this conditioner, it becomes softer. Okay, so you can comb it. I don't like combing my hair much when there's water inside because it will cut the hair. So just do little combing from the roots. It's fine. And then I wash it off. Okay, so the hair is done. Sparkling clean hair. Ooh. That's the advantage of washing the house. I can pour enough water as I want. When the salon now, they will be managing their water and leave some residue of shampoo and conditioner in your hair. Oh, I love it. The next thing I'll do is grab my towel and then so that's it, guys. We are done washing our hair. Then let me show you the next procedure, guys. My hair done. You like it? You like it? You like it? Hair rolled atom.